Are you someone who spends a lot of time online viewing videos? What if I told you that just by simply watching short films, you can make up to $5 per minute? Yes, that's right. These applications have not been talked about before, and I guarantee you to earn a ton of money if you watch this video from the start until the end. By doing so, I will be teaching you everything step by step for free. This is going to be a very simple method that you will love. Keep in mind that this method is completely free and can be done worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you come from, because you can make money on this website as well. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer. So, simply grab your smartphone, make sure it's connected to the internet, and then we can start making money online. Now let's dive into the video. First of all, I want you to go to google.com. The name of the first application that I want to talk about is called Feature Points. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the website that you need, because I have left all of the links that you need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links down below. Right after that, you can see here it says earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and more. This application is available in both iOS and Android devices, so you don't have to worry about not being able to access this application. If you're curious about how you can earn money on this website, scroll down on the website's homepage to learn more. Here, they offer a ton of options to earn money. The host online contest. These instant contests like this scratch here can make you win up to 50,000 points. Then you can also earn money by completing surveys. Just simply share your opinion with them and get paid. It's that simple. The third option is cashback. Just simply shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cashback using this application. So, the stores you shop from pay them a commission for sending you to them, and then they share this with you in return. Lastly, you can earn money by downloading apps and trying it even for just a few minutes. From these options, you have a lot to choose from depending on your style. And when it comes to rewards redemption, you are also given a huge selection of gift cards to choose from, starting from Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, cryptocurrency, and so on. And as you can see here, they have 4 stars out of 5, which means that this website is a great way to earn money online. To sign up for a free account, simply click here, and it will take you to this page where you may join the community by manually entering your email address or by linking your Apple, Facebook, or Google accounts. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment below. So let's continue to the second application. The second application is called AppNana. This application is also available in both iOS and Android devices. Similar to the first application, you can earn money here by doing surveys, playing games, and watching videos. And the great thing is that you can earn money by watching videos even without actually watching them. You just have to let the videos play in the background. Earn money on AppNana, just simply earn Nana points by watching videos on their application. And the more Nana points you get, the more money you will gain. Another option to make money on this application is by joining their referral program. If you scroll down to the bottom of their page, you can see this text right here. Once you click on it, it will then take you to the registration page. To join the program, you just simply have to provide them your basic information, like your first and last name. Then don't forget to type in your email address as well. Then, among all these social media options they put, simply check the boxes of the ones that you have. If, for example, you tick this box, they will ask you some questions. Then they ask you to copy and paste your channel link here. Tell us, how do you plan to promote and get new people to join AppNana? And then after that, you go ahead and click here where it says done. For the third website, I want you to go to this website called My Points. Just like the other applications we talked about, you can earn money by generating points to convert into actual cash. As you can see here, My Points members get up to 40% back with every purchase at 2,000 top retailers like Best Buy, Amazon, and so on. Which means that you can earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. But if you don't want to spend any money at all, you can choose the other options like answering surveys and watching videos. So the good news is that once you create an account with this website, you can earn a $10 bonus. To create an account, just simply type in your email address and your password. And don't forget to choose what gift card you want to receive as a bonus. You can choose between a $10 Amazon gift card or a $10 Visa card. Go ahead and click here. Now let's proceed to the fourth application. This one doesn't have a website available, but you can check it on your preferred application store. You can see here, this application received a 4-star rating from a total of 42,000 viewers, which is a great rating. So you can preview video trailers of celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and get points that you can redeem with PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, and many more with this app. And what's great, it is completely free to use and it is available worldwide. You can go ahead and learn more about the app. So yeah, all join those apps and start making money online. So guys, go ahead and use this method and start making money online from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. This method is completely free and you do not need any experience. So that's pretty much it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you gained any value from the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.